Freehostia review. Honest user experience of this free web hosting service. If you're starting a website on a budget, Freehostia promises free web hosting with decent features. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people think free hosting means poor performance. The surprising truth is Freehostia offers a surprisingly reliable platform for beginners, including of storage, monthly bandwidth, and a website builder. Signing up was easy. Within minutes, I had a live site running with a subdomain. The control panel is intuitive, and the built-in tools let you manage email, databases, and domains. One standout feature is the chocolate-free plan, which supports multiple websites and easy integration with CMS platforms like WordPress. Performance is decent for low-traffic sites, making it ideal for personal blogs or test projects. The downside is limited storage and bandwidth. High-traffic websites will quickly need to upgrade, and customer support for free users is limited. Paid plans unlock more storage, certificates, and advanced features. In conclusion, Freehostia is a solid option for beginners who want to experiment with web hosting without upfront costs. If you're building a personal site or learning website management, it's worth trying.